Hello, I'm Rami, a designer at thoughtbot. I will be doing the second day in the product design sprint and then hand it over back to Ferdia.
Yesterday with Ferdia, we did the mapping portion of the exercise. Today, we're going to do the sketching. But before we get into sketching, it might be a good idea to take 20 to 30 minutes to go over exercises that you did yesterday, keep them top of mind with your team, and also because your team might have had some time to reflect on the exercises of yesterday, there might be some suggestions to improve some things, a word here or a better way to express something that you're trying to do with this application. So take this time to discuss these changes and implement them if need be. We usually find that 15 to 20 minutes is what we need, but sometimes it can go up to 30. Once that's done, we can start with the actual exercise of today. See you in the next video.